It comes in two color options as forest green and ice blue. It also comes in two size options as 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. This phone features 120Hz AMOLED display, screen-to-body ratio of 92.65%, brightness of maximum 1200 nits, supports touch input even with wet hands, rainwater touch, and IP54 water resistance. The smartphone has 50 megapixels primary camera, provide night mode, street mode, photograph mode, portrait mode, adapts to a wider range of photographic scenarios. It is powered by Dimensity 7055G, support dual carrier aggregation technology, smart switch between 4G, 5G networks according to your usage scenarios, saving up to 30% power consumption. The 5000 mAh massive battery provides up to standby of 518 hours. The box includes quick guide, adapter, phone case, screen protector, and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.